Hey guys, Ryan here again at Porsche Austin. Ran across a very rare one, 911 Flachbau or flat nose turbo. Really good condition. So if you want to live out your Miami Vice dreams, this is the car to do it. Do not see these very much. Perfect interior. It's got the cell phone down there. Always very cool. Can't tell the mileage. Looks like almost 37,000. That's not bad at all. Nice little 911T race car there. Perfect day in Austin. See it back there. Yeah, look at that, guys. Don't see these every day. 911 Flachbau or flat nose. True turbo. Always like these in white. Just a little walk around. Look at that. I forget the name of the company that was doing these. You can remind me. Oh. See some elements of the 935 in it. That's what it was based on or inspired by. Let's see those vents. It does need a little bit of a wash. Look at those wheels. Good tires on it too, nice Bridgestones. I would love to see this on the road. The interior is perfect. The sun kissing it. Beautiful rear fenders. Let's see up in there. How's the motor looking? Clean. Kind of hard. Too cool. Sunroof. Let's check out this 911T. It's really nice as well. Can't go wrong with a good old-fashioned 911T. Look at that. Pretty impressive next to each other. Good condition, too. Not a chip on the front. And I thought I saw a nice little M5 over here. Let's go check that guy out. Say bye-bye, flat nose. Have a good day. You do have a good view. But over here, love these M5s. Proper BMW right there. With a flat tire. That is cool. Nice V8. It's a good fixer-upper. Looks like it might have been sitting in the sun a little bit. Wonder if it's for sale. I have to look up the price on that. Too cool though. Fantastic cars. Get back to that BMW, please. See that beautiful shift knob in there. Just too cool, man. Love these when they came out. I was still in high school. It's not too bad. It looks like it's been clean. Got some scratches in there. Like I said, good fixer-upper. Another BMW. You gotta fix those seals, but oh yeah, it's been sitting in the sun a little bit. See that? It's an easy fix though. There's a 911 over there. Hey guys, once again, Ryan here, coming to you from Porsche Austin. Always something cool. And we saw a flat nose race car 911T and finished with a beautiful M5. Y'all have a good day. Give me a follow and a like. Bye-bye.